So, hi, this is basically just my makeup routine. Well, I don't really want to call it a routine because I don't really wear this kind of makeup every day, but if I do wear makeup, this is how I do it. So, first thing first, I'm going to put on a foundation to my face. I know foundation is part of my routine, and I know it's bad for my skin, but I'm just a very insecure person. I can't even get out of my house without putting a foundation on. Well, whatever. So I'm just going to blend this in with a beauty blender. I think it's very hard to blend a foundation with a beauty blender, or is it just me? I don't know, but I find it really nasty to blend my foundation with a beauty blender. Like I said, it's very difficult for me to blend a foundation with a beauty blender, so in the end I'm just going to blend it with my own fingers because it is a lot more easier. Then I'm going to put on a little bit more foundation as a concealer because my concealer is running out, so I'm just going to put on more foundation as a concealer and to cover my blemishes, my acne scars and all that, and blend that again with a beauty blender. And that's it, foundation and concealer done. And as a blush, I'm using a lip cream. My blush is also ran out, so I'm using a lip cream instead as a blush, and I found it really pretty to use a lip cream as a blush because for me personally it is more natural and more, I don't know, it has a little bit of glittery look, or is it just me? I don't know, but yeah, I'm just going to vigorously scrub this into my cheek. And next, for eyebrows, I'm using my pencil eyebrow. My pencil eyebrow is a little bit nasty, but I'm going to use it anyway. So this is what I'm going to tell you. I don't know how to do eyebrows, like literally have no idea how to do them. So what I do is just filling them in. Filling my eyebrows is basically the hardest thing. No, I mean like the hardest part of my makeup routine because I don't want it to be too thick. So after filling those babies in, I'm just going to brush them with this pulley brush. Is this what it's called? Yeah. Then of course a mascara. I'm going to dip this in and just build and build and build. Putting on a mascara literally needs like an effort. Yeah, for me it really needs an effort because it's really difficult to put on a mascara when you're in a hurry. I feel like I want to skip this part because I make the most ridiculous face when I put on a mascara. I mean, look at that. Oh my god, this is so disgusting. But yeah, just a long eyelashes kind of makes everything better. Am I right? And to make it like a little bit more dramatic, I'm going to push those eyelashes upwards. And next, of course, this is literally the most important thing, is lip cream. I'm using the same lip cream like I did to my cheek as a blush before. I'm just going to put this on my lips. I've been obsessed with lip cream. I mean, I used to be more obsessed with a lipstick or lip gloss or anything glossy, but right now lip cream has my heart, and this one smells really good. Lip cream is done, and this is my favorite part, of course, a highlighter. Well, I don't really wear highlighter every day, but I like to kind of spice it up a little bit, and wear a highlight kind of makes everything better for me. And also this video is called a glowy makeup, so you have to include highlighter. You just have to. I'm going to put in on the bridge of my nose to make it look like my nose is not really flat. I have a very flat nose, you have no idea. And also in the brow bone and the cupid bows. I think this is what's called, right? The cupid bows. And that's just me being really excited over my highlighter. So yeah, that's done. This is what my makeup looks like under the sun. Goodbye, I'll see you again soon.